Yo guys, welcome back to Wrector. So from the previous video, uh, just to update you about Bitcoin. So probably 3 days ago, we drove this blue line. I told you most likely at that time we might most like we'll be looking into a bearish market and we might follow this trend line. So I drove this on the 25th of January and so far we followed, and right now we are on the consolidating period. I also predicted 4 days ago that we might have another drop to 34,000, but by the looks of it right now, the bulls have taken control. If you look through the indicators on the 1 hour chart, presently we are trading above the moving average 20 and 50. We are only resisting the 200. uh, we have a MACD buy signal right now. The RSI is above 50, so if you go into the 4 hour we might get a much clear picture. The MACD has already given us a buy signal. The RSI is at 50. The Bollinger Band strategy has also given us a buy signal. Let's move into Japanese candle. Yep, we have the beta candle over here. So most likely if we are to drop, we might have a 34,000 drop, and then we are going to be bullish. But that's how it is right now. I think you need to give Bitcoin a little bit more time because of the long consolidation. We really can't get into much conclusion. So today, guys, let's get into sand. Let's get into sand and see what's up, right? So just to do a quick analysis, let's find the support and resistance on sand. So for us to draw a support, we could get this range. Let's make that green. To find the nearest resistance, let's probably this range might be weak, so let's go a little bit above and let's get the 4.4 range for sand. Okay, so we could also identify a support resistance to the Fibonacci. So if you look at this, right now, we have been resisting the what you call 0.764 level several times, and even in the past we have resisted it several times. So I believe this is acting as a good support as well as the horizontal support over here. So I think getting into sand right now with a dollar cost averaging technique is a wise option, right? So let's see what our indicators can tell us. So on the forward chart, we have a MACD buy signal. The RSI is still on sell. The Bollinger Band is also on sell. So I think this is because of the previous big dump. So to be on the daily. Let's get into 4 hours. So if you look through the 4 hours, yeah. So we presently have the buy signal. The RSI is above 50. The Bollinger Band strategy has been given the buy signal as well. We are presently trading above the 20-day moving average and above above the horizontal support and the Fibonacci support. So let's get into a time frame lower. Yeah, so most likely we are having buy signals on everything. So I'm just gonna make this video very short. If you want to get into Sand USD on spot, uh, I'm gonna say let's try to find if Sand has broken out already. Let's try to draw the trend line over here, the side trend line. Let's try to make this what you call a symmetrical triangle. Yeah. So if you look at this, we have presently broken the triangle and we are resisting above. We have had good buying signals on the 1 hour chart. Uh, if you look into the 15-minute chart, it's also most likely potential on the buying side. So let's go back to 4 hours. The 4 hours is also into buy. So we have also broken above. We have resisted, we closed inside, and then we broke above and we are trying to push out. So most likely if you want to get into sand on a probably on a spot position or a leverage below 5 long position. So I would uh, I would do something like this, right? So I would place my stop loss below the what you call the Fibonacci support level. So I'll give it a 30 on spot, and I might try to dollar cost average after I initially buy it once at this range. Let's make that green. Oops, sorry. Let's make this green, and then let's try to dollar cost average at the support level right here, and then like to place my stop loss over here. Make this red, right? So I think for sand this is a good buying option right now. Uh, if you could invest 2% of your portfolio into sand at the market price of 3.4 and 3.5 and have a limit buy order at $3 for sand. So let's say you bought for 2% of your capital over here, and then you set another limit buy order for 2% of your capital at $3, and then you set your stop loss at 2.4. So most likely what I think for what would happen for sand is at the given rate, this might be like this. If BTC is to take a small dump, it might hit here, and most likely it might pick up our order and get up, right? So based on the past experience, I believe sand has a 90% win rate of making profits. So most likely this will be my play for sand. I'm gonna signal this on my uh, signal channel as well. Good luck. See you on the next video.